Got a double heater, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. Perfecto. Need to make sure I don't fall down this. Let's check some simple stuff on here. Get my yeah, I know. Yep, exactly. I thought it was gonna be upstairs as well. This one's a little dirty. Alright. Just check common stuff. Check like the limit switches real quick. Flame sensor, I'll set that right here. Check this high. Make sure it's closed. Alright, that one's closed. Where's the other limit switch go? This one right here. That one's closed. This one right here. That one's closed. Alright, I'm gonna check the capacitor on this unit. Stubby. I always put these little weird spots. Come on, I need it bigger. Alright. Let's see what this capacitor's at. 11. Alright. I'm gonna need to change out this capacitor. Set that there. I'm gonna need to clean this flame sensor, change out the capacitor. See if I can check some other stuff. Limit switches. I'll check the line on this pressure switch. Let's see if there's anything in here. Alright, that's good. Alright, let me check the common stuff on the other unit real quick. I just want to, because this is a double unit, so I just kind of want to get it, you know, the parts checked out before we start testing the actual heat unit. Get my screwdriver. I hate how they put these little caps up here. They're messing me up. See? Over here trying to get this screw out. It's so difficult because of this little cap right here. Whatever it's there for. Right. Flame sensor's dirty. I have to clean that. Check the limit switches. It's good. It's good. Bro, getting my leads in here. That one's good too. So there's three. There's two normal limit switches, and then there's one high limit switch. Let's check this pressure switch real quick. Tubing. And then I'm gonna check this capacitor as well. I don't know if you guys see that, but there's a bunch of oil right there in that spot, which is telling me that's probably oil from the capacitor. It's either oil from the capacitor or motor. So I need to get my stubby quick. Let's check this capacitor. Let's check this one. .3, so this one's still good. So we'll keep this one in the unit. Let's change out the capacitor. Got a new capacitor. Let's go ahead and put this one in here. There, we'll tighten that up, and then let's clean this flame sensor as well. Find it. There we go. Looks nice and clean. Looks brand new. back in there. My screwdriver. All right. All right, it's time to let's test this heater out real quick. Go ahead and get the heat started. I'll put the door on this one so we get some true temperature. See if this kicks on right. Start this other heater as well. We're gonna put while that one runs real quick, let's go over to this other heater real quick. Alright, let's get this other one going. Sandpaper. I think this one too. Clean. I need a small screwdriver, but this one will work for now. Perfect. All right, let's get this one started up as well. Get some electrical tape. Let's bring my bag over here. In there. Alright, let's wait for this one to start up real quick. So that inducer motor is getting pretty close, probably like 0.1 off of overamping, so that's something to watch out for. Also rated for 1.75, so both of these inducer motors are pretty close to, you know, any day they could just stop working. So I'm gonna let them know about that. Let's go get these returned and supply temperatures real quick. Temperatures look good to me. Yes, sir. I want to check these inducer motors one more time. Like, since they've been running for a minute, I just want to see what amps they're at, because yeah, it's still overamping. You gotta see this. That's an inducer motor. The highest that it's supposed to go is 1.7. It's at 3.5. Even on this leg. Still overamping. So this inducer motor is going to go bad soon. I'm going to just make a note of it, and then let me check this one. Look at that. 2.5. It's gonna go bad soon. Alright, I'm gonna get this unit put back together, and we out of here. All right, hey, it's always good to do this heater maintenance. See, found capacitors that were leaking oil, that were low. Also find flame sensors that are really corroded. So a lot of these things actually contribute to the heater a lot. People will be running their heaters, blower motors will stop working, heaters will stop working just because of a small little fact of a flame sensor dirty or a blower motor capacitor that went out. So that prevents them to have to make a call, you know, to have you come out to their house. That's what these maintenances are good for. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, notifications on. Peace out. Catch you guys next video. You don't see this every day. That man's got a that's a old car right there. What? Jeez.